Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into something that's been gaining a lot of attention, vegan keto. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about combining the high-fat, low-carb principles of the ketogenic diet with the ethical, plant-based approach of veganism. Now, you might be thinking, is that even possible? Or how can you get enough fats and proteins on a vegan keto diet? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how vegan keto works, but also have a few delicious recipes to try out. First, let's break down what the ketogenic diet is all about. The keto diet is designed to put your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. This is achieved by eating a high-fat, moderate protein and low-carb diet. But here's where it gets tricky for vegans. Traditional keto relies heavily on animal products like meat, butter, and cheese to meet those fat and protein needs. So how do you do keto without any animal products? It's all about choosing the right plant-based foods. Key foods in a vegan keto diet include avocados packed with healthy fats and fiber, nuts and seeds, great sources of fats and protein, leafy greens, low in carbs, high in nutrients, coconut oil, a versatile fat source, plant-based protein powders. To ensure you're hitting your protein goals, planning is crucial here. You'll need to carefully select your foods to ensure you're getting the right balance of macronutrients while staying within your carb limits. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's talk about the building blocks of a vegan keto diet. These are the foods you'll want to stock up on to make sure you're staying within your macros and keeping your meals interesting. 1. Healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds should be staples in your pantry. These foods are not only rich in fats, but also provide essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. 2. Protein sources. You might be wondering, where will I get my protein? The answer lies in foods like tofu, tempeh, seitan, and plant-based protein powders. These are excellent sources of protein that can be easily incorporated into your meals. 3. Low-carb vegetables. Think spinach, kale, zucchini, and broccoli. These vegetables are low in carbs but high in fiber and nutrients, making them perfect for a vegan keto diet. 4. Keto-friendly snacks. Craving something to munch on? Olives, macadamia nuts, and dark chocolate, make sure it's at least 85% cacao, are great keto snacks that also fit into a vegan diet. Planning is crucial here. You'll need to carefully select your foods to ensure you're getting the right balance of macronutrients while staying within your carb limits. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Now let's get into the fun part, recipes. Here are 3 simple and delicious vegan keto recipes you can start making today. Recipe 1, creamy avocado zucchini noodles. Ingredients: pu'er, 2 medium zucchinis spiralized into noodles, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a blender, combine the avocado, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. 2. Toss the zucchini noodles with the avocado sauce until well coated. 3. Garnish with fresh basil and enjoy. Why it works. This dish is loaded with healthy fats from the avocado and olive oil, while the zucchini noodles keep it low in carbs. It's a perfect light meal that's satisfying and keto-friendly. Planning is crucial here. You'll need to carefully select your foods to ensure you're getting the right balance of macronutrients while staying within your carb limits. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Recipe 2, coconut, almond, fat bombs. Ingredients: 1 cup of shredded coconut, unsweetened, 1/2 cup of almond butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of erythritol or another keto-friendly sweetener. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. 2. Roll the mixture into small balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes until firm. 4. Store in an airtight container in the fridge. Why it works. These fat bombs are perfect for curbing cravings and providing a quick energy boost. They're packed with healthy fats from the almond butter and coconut oil, making them ideal for a vegan keto diet. Recipe 3, tofu stir fry with peanut sauce. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, pressed and cubed, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 bell pepper, sliced, 1 zucchini, sliced, 1 cup of broccoli. For the peanut sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced. Water to thin. Instructions: 1. Heat the coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the tofu and cook until golden brown on all sides. 2. Add the bell pepper, zucchini, and broccoli to the pan and stir fry for 5-7 minutes. 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the peanut sauce ingredients, add water a little at a time until you reach your desired consistency. 4. Pour the peanut sauce over the stir fry and toss to coat. 5. Serve hot and enjoy. Why it works. This stir fry is packed with protein from the tofu and healthy fats from the peanut sauce. It's a satisfying meal that's easy to customize with your favorite low-carb veggies. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some tips to ensure your success on a vegan keto diet. 1. Track your macros. Use a food tracking app to keep an eye on your carb intake and make sure you're hitting your fat and protein goals. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, as the keto diet can be dehydrating. Consider adding electrolytes to your water to replenish lost minerals. 3. Supplements. Since a vegan keto diet can be restrictive, consider supplements like B12, vitamin D, and omega-3s to fill in any nutritional gaps. 4. Meal prep. Planning and prepping your meals in advance can help you stay on track and avoid the temptation of high-carb foods. 5. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to experiment with different foods and recipes. The key is to find what works best for you and keeps you satisfied. And there you have it. An introduction to the vegan keto lifestyle, complete with essential foods, tips, and delicious recipes to get you started. Adopting this diet could be the game changer you've been looking for, offering the benefits of keto while staying true to your plant-based principles. As a thank you for watching till the end, we've prepared a special gift just for you, a downloadable PDF with 5 exclusive vegan keto recipes that aren't in this video. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more plant-based keto content. Let's continue this journey to a healthier, happier you together. See you in the next video.